Good day everyone, welcome to my listing here at Halcon 2, Loloma, Quezon City. This property is between the Pitan, that main road, and P. Margal. So both 105 square meters. Ang may value na lang is lot. Although pwedeng as is, paupahan. So may tatlong unit ito na hiwalay-hiwalay. As of now, may konti siyang rental income. This is the condition of the road. Mahirap ang walang bangketa. Kaya ang two-way. Dito kasi ako nagdaan kanina. Kaya ang two-way. So that's P. Margal, yung corner doon. And that is the SMDC project near Welcome Rotonda. Kaya maganda po ang location ng property na to for rental purpose. So ayan po yung famous na PLDT antenna. So ito po, as you can see, vertical apartment din ang ginagamit dito, ang ginagawa. So if you're interested, please give me a call. Thank you. Bye.